The minor triad is built off the first, third, and fifth degrees of the minor scale or the Aeolian mode. It also can be found in the Dorian and Phrygian modes as well, but we're going to stick with the pure minor Aeolian mode. So C Aeolian is C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, and C. Okay? So to convert all those major triads into minor, we only have to do one thing. You just have to lower the E to E flat, the major third to the minor third. Okay? So here's our C major. All right? So we just take the E and lower it a half step. Let's take the first inversion of C major, okay? Again, lower the E a half step. So this would be C minor over E flat. Okay, how about the second inversion? Again, lower the E to E flat. C minor over G. All right, and there's all the C minor triads.